So AP series stands for arithmetic progression, and the example is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this is second term, first term, third term, and fourth term, fifth term. So second term minus first term is equal to third term minus second term. 4 minus 2 equal to 6 minus 4. So this is equal to the common difference, which is equal to 2. So next is how to find the nth term of the series. So nth term के लिए फॉर्मूला होता है an is equal to a plus n minus 1 whole into d. So the a is the first term and d is the common difference. So sum of the n terms is of the AP series. This is for the AP series. So this is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 whole into d, where a is the first term and d is the common difference. And now we move on towards the geometric progression. This is known as GP series. This is geometric progression. So this is 2, 4, 8, 16. This way series is there. So now the second term divided by first term is equal to third term divided by second term. So this is equal to r. जैसे यहाँ पे r है वैसे वहाँ पे d था, कॉमन डिफरेंस. दिस वाज d, कॉमन डिफरेंस. सो ये यहाँ पे जो कॉमन डिफरेंस था, अब यहाँ पे आपका है ये रेशियो, कॉमन रेशियो. दिस इज नोन एज कॉमन रेशियो. So its formula is to find the nth term of a series of a GP, whether it is GP series. Nth term find करने के लिए to find nth term. So this is a into r to the power n minus 1. A is the first term, r is the common ratio. So this was the difference between the AP series and GP series. Now we move on towards our first question. This is the first exercise is 9.1 class 11. So this is question number 1 का first part. Write the first 5 terms of each of sequence 1 to 6 is given. So an is equal to n into n plus 2. The first term will be n is equal to 1. 1 into 1 plus 2 equal to 3. So second term will be 8, and this way the third term will be 3 into 3 plus 2. n की जगह आपने 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 लगाना है, जिसमें 3, 8, 15 and 24 and 35 आ जाएगा इसका आंसर. an is equal to n plus 2. Then the next one is an is equal to, this is the first question. So next is an is equal to n by n plus 1. an is equal to n by n plus 1. So the first term will be 1 divided by 1 plus 1 equal to 1 by 2. Second term will be a2 will be equal to 2 by 2 plus 1 is equal to 2 by 3. And third term will be 3 by 3 plus 1, that is equal to 3 by 4. And fourth term will be n is equal to 4 लगाना है हमने, यहाँ पे 4 रखना है. 4 by 4 plus 1, 4 by 4 plus 1. So this is equal to 4 by 5. And now the fifth term will be a5 is equal to 5 by 5 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 6. So this is the first 5 terms we find करनी है. The second part भी हो गया. Now the third part is an is equal to 2 to the power n. an is equal to 2 to the power n. So n is equal to 1, we put down n is equal to 1. So a1 is equal to 2 to the power 1. a2 is equal to 2 to the power 2 equal to 4. a3 is equal to 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. a4 कितना हो जाएगा? a4 हो जाएगा, समझ में आ रहा है ना? 2 to the power of 5, 2 to the power of 4. So this will be 16. And fifth term will be 2 to the power 5 is equal to 32. So this was the second part, second question. इसका second का था ये, third है ये. And fourth one is an is equal to 2n minus 3 divided by 6. So the first term will be a1 is equal to 2 into 1 minus 3 divided by 6 equal to 2 minus 3 divided by 6 equal to minus 1 by 6. So a2 will be equal to 2 into 1 minus 3 divided by 6 equal to 2 into 2 आएगा यहाँ पे 4 minus 3 divided by 6 equal to 1 by 6. So a3 is equal to 2 into 3 minus 3. So this is divided by 6. So 6 minus 3 divided by 6 equal to 3 by 6. So a4 will be equal to 2 into 4 minus 3 divided by 6. So this is equal to 8 minus 3 divided by 6 equal to 5 divided by 6. तो a5 कितना हो जाएगा? a5 हो जाएगा आपका 2 into 5 minus 3 divided by 6. So this is equal to 10 minus 3 divided by 6. So this is 7 divided by 6. So this is fourth is over. Fifth, now what is the fifth question? Fifth part of it. Fifth part है आपका an is equal to minus 1 whole to the power n minus 1 5 to the power n plus 1. ठीक है. So this is the fifth part of fifth आइए. So this is a1 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 1 minus 1 5 to the power of 1 plus 1. So this is equal to minus 1 to the power of 0 into 5 to the power of 2 equal to 0 पावर होता है तो 1 हो जाता है इसका आंसर. 1 into 25. This is equal to 25. So next is a2. So 2 is minus 1 to the power of 2 minus 1 5 to the power of 2 plus 1. So this is equal to minus 1 to the power 1 into 5 to the power of 3. So 5 of the 25 5 the 125. So this is 125 and this is minus 1. So a3 will be equal to minus 1 to the power of 3 minus 1 into 5 to the power of 3 plus 1. So this is equal to 5 to the power of 4 into minus 1 to the power of a square. So this is equal to, this is will be plus 1. तो ये plus 1 हो जाएगा. Minus 1 into minus into minus is plus. So 5 to the power 4. So into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So this is equal to 5 5 25 the 625. So a4, now a4 is equal to minus 1 to the power 4 minus 1 into 5 to the power of 4 plus 1. So this is equal to minus 1 to the power 3 into 5 to the power of 5. So this is equal to minus 1 because minus into minus is equal to minus. So minus 1 आ जाएगा यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 5 into 5 into 5 टाइम्स आ जाएगा ये. So this is equal to 625 into 5. So this is 5 5 the 25, 5 for 10 to 12, 5 to 31. So 3 1 2 5. a5 is the last one. a5 is equal to minus 1 to the power 5 minus 1 5 to the power of 5 plus 1. So this is equal to minus 1 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 6. This is equal to minus into minus into minus into minus. So this is plus हो जाएगा, plus 1 हो जाएगा, ठीक है. Into 3125 into 5. So this is plus 1 into 5 5 to 25, 5 to the 10 to 12, 1, 5 on the 5 and 6, 5 to the 15. So 15,625 is the answer of this question, right? So the fifth part of it. Now the sixth part is an is equal to n into n square plus 5 divided by 4. So a1 will be 1 into 1 plus 5 divided by 4. So this is equal to 1 6 by 4. So this is 4 the 4 4 6 4 1 the 4 plus 6 10 by 4 equal to 10 by 4. So a2 is equal to 2 square plus 5 divided by 4. So this is equal to 2. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 by 4. So this is 8. 8 plus 17. 17 by 4. So 8 third is equal to 3 into 3 का square plus 5 divided by 4 equal to 3. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 by 4. This is 12. 12 plus 14 is 36. 26. 26 by 4. Now A3 is over. Now we pass on towards the A5. A3 हो गया ना आपका, A3 हो गया, A4. Now we read A4. So A4 will be equal to 4. 4 का square plus 5 divided by 4 equal to 4. 16 plus 5 divided by 4. This is equal to 21. 421 divided by 4. 16 plus 21 is 37 by 4. So last one is A5. A5 is equal to 5. 5 का square plus 5 divided by 4. So this is equal to 5. 25 plus 5 is 25 plus 5 is 30 by 4. So for 20, 50 by 4. So next one is find the indicated. So 7th. Now we pass on towards the 7th one. AN is equal to 4N minus 3. इसमें find करना है हमने A17 and A24. A17 and A24. So A17 will be how much? A17 is equal to 4 into 17 minus 3 is equal to 7 for the 28 to 7 for 22 6. 68 minus 3 is equal to 65. And what is A24? A24 is equal to 4 into 24 minus 3. So this is equal to 4 for the 16. 1 for 96 minus 3 is equal to 93. So now we pass on towards the 8th part of it. 8th part. So 8th part is AN is equal to n square by 2 to the power of n. A7 we have to find out. A7. So A7 is equal to 7 का square divided by 2 to the power 7. So this is 49 divided by 2 की power 7 कितना हो जाएगा? 2 into 2 7 times. This will be into 2 into 2 into 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this is equal to 49 divided by 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 into 16, 16, 32, 32, 64, 64 to the 128. So this is the answer of this question. 8th का हो गया. अब 9th वाला है आपका. This is the 9th question, 9th part. 9th part is AN is equal to AN is equal to minus 1 to the power n minus 1 n cube. Now to find out A9. So A9 will be equal to minus 1 to the power 9 minus 1 into 9 to the power of 3. This is equal to minus 1 to the power 8. 9 9 the 81. 81 into 9. So this is plus 1 into 81 into 9. So 9 1 the 9. 9 into 729. Now we want towards the 10th part of it. 10th part है इसका. AN is equal to n into n minus 2 divided by n plus 3. You have to find out A20. So A20 कितना हो जाएगा? A20 is equal to n is equal to 20. So 20 minus 2 divided by 20 plus 3. So this is equal to 20 into 18 divided by 23. So this is equal to 18 to the 36, 360 divided by 23. Now the next one is 10th we have solved out. And now we move on towards our 11th part of it. Find the first 5 terms. So this is A1 is given as, first is given as 3. AN is equal to 3 into AN minus 1 plus 2. ठीक है. So what is to find out? A2. So A2 is equal to 3 into 2 minus 1 plus 2. So this is equal to 3 into a 1 plus 2. So this is equal to 3 into a1 is 3. So we put down the value of 3. 3 is 9 plus 2 11. So likewise you have to find out a3 is equal to 3 into a3 minus 1 plus 2. So this is equal to 3 into a second plus 2. तो a second is how much 11. a second अभी हमने a second टर्म हमने निकाली है अभी. So 3 into 11 plus 2. This is equal to 34 35 33 ये हो गया plus 2 हो गया 35. So this way you can find out a4 is equal to 3 into a4 minus 1 plus 2. So this is equal to a4 minus 1. So a3 plus 2. So this is equal to 3 into 35 plus 2. So this is 5 to the 15 105 plus 2 is equal to 107. So this is a5 now. a5 is equal to 3 into a5 minus 1 plus 2. So this is equal to 3 into a4 plus 2 is equal to 3 into 107 plus 2. So this is equal to 7 is a 21. So 2 comes here, 2, 321 plus 2, 323. So this is the first 5 terms we have found out. And this was the 11th question. Now we move on towards the 12th question of it. 12th question is a1 is equal to minus 1. So an is equal to an minus 1 divided by n. So this is the 12th question. So 12th question के लिए this is the 12th question. So 12th we write it here. a1 is equal to minus 1. an is equal to an minus 1 divided by n. So a1 is given. So we have to find out a2 is equal to a2 minus 1 divided by n. 1 divided by 2 होगा, ठीक है, equal to a1 divided by 2. So this is minus 1 divided by 2. So what is a3? a3 is equal to a3 minus 1 divided by 3 equal to a2 divided by 3. This is equal to minus 1 by 2 divided by 3. So this is equal to minus 1 by 2 divided by 3. So this is equal to minus 1 by 6. Okay. So a4 is how much? a4 is equal to a4 minus 1 divided by 4 is equal to a3 divided by 4. So this is equal to minus 1 by 6 divided by 4 equal to minus 1 by 24. So this way you can find out a5 also. a5 is equal to a5 minus 1 divided by 5. So a4 divided by 5. So this is equal to minus 1 by 24 divided by 5. So this is 1 by 24 into 5 minus is equal to minus 1 divided by 5 for the 20 0 12. So this is 120. So this is the 12th question solved here. And now we found out the 13th question of it. 13th है इसका, 13th is exercise का. So 13th is like a1 is equal to a2 is equal to 2. So a1 is equal to a2 is equal to 2 and an is given as an minus 1 minus 1, an minus 1 minus 1. So this is the 13th question and we have to find out a3 now. a3 is equal to a3 minus 1 minus 1. So this is equal to a2 minus 1. So this is equal to 2 minus 1 equal to 1. So a4 is equal to a4 minus 1 minus 1 is equal to a3 minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So a5 is equal to a5 minus 1 minus 1 equal to a4 minus 1.